Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a quick get ready with me video with me and Marla. I know you guys love videos with Marla, so here's another one. DJ Khaled voice. Yeah guys, so this video is going to be really quick. We just had like my brother's graduation ceremony and I decided to record us getting ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and drop me a comment below. Let me know if you guys like it. Let's get right into this video. So usually I just get myself ready and then I put her clothes on. So right now what I'm doing is my makeup. I'm gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics what's this, Flawless Brow Trio. I always go back to this because it's really good. It's a really good product. I just wanted like a simple face beat, like nothing too serious today because it is an outdoor event, you know. So after filling in my brows with that, I'm cleaning up with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is exactly how I clean up when I'm late. I literally had like 20 minutes to get Marla and get myself ready, so this was a quick look. So I'm just priming my eyes and everything, and I'm using the Earth Glow Press Powder. This is like my favorite transition color. Doesn't really matter what time of the year it is. I just really love the reddish undertones in this powder, so I'm placing that into my crease. So I'm gonna create like a simple smoky eye. I use the dark brown from the BH Cosmetics Brow Trio that I use for my brows. So for my lids, I use this color from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit called Sunburst. It was a gorgeous light gold, almost white gold, you know. So I just placed that onto my lids, and I used like the so I ended up using the Black Opal translucent powder to set my brow bone because I couldn't find a pressed powder and I was too lazy to look. So I I applied my Blistex to moisturize my lips. I don't know guys, I've been struggling with dry lips lately. If you have any tips, please help me out. And I lined my eyes with this midnight blue liner because I wanted like a pop of color. Sorry guys, there won't be like a product list or anything like this in the description bar. I'm just going to put like the necessary products down there. I had not done a winged liner in a long time, so I thought I would just do a winged liner, you know. And of course, what is a winged liner if you don't apply lashes? I'm definitely gonna go in with some lashes for that. Because I just feel like it's weird when you have like a cat eye and you just don't have popping lashes. They just look wrong, you know. So I'm applying some lashes. So yeah guys, this look is going to run like pretty quickly. So after my lashes, I'm going to go in with priming my face, and I'm using the classic Milk of Magnesia. Haven't used this primer in a while guys, but this makes your makeup stay on, trust me. It was going to be an outdoor event, so I definitely did not want to have my foundation slipping all over the place. So I applied this, and for foundation today I am mixing my L'Oreal True Match with my Jordana Complete Cover. Those two foundations give me skin, alright, and that's what I needed. Especially if I'm using this primer, I need something that's going to blend out right over this primer and not look crazy or not look cakey. So that's why I went for these two foundations. I did use the LA Girl Pro to highlight my face once I was done putting my foundation on. But what I have been loving, that is kind of like a favorite of mine, is this little brush that I got from this store on Instagram here in Jamaica. It's not so much about the store, you know, but the brush is really nice. It does get under my eyes and blend out my product real nice. And of course I'm going to set that now with my Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder. Guys, like this is probably my most loved makeup product that I own. This powder is like so boss. I've had it for years and it just keeps getting better every time. It sets your product like nothing else will, believe me, especially for a black woman with oily skin. This powder is the truth. So after I've done that and I've dusted away my regular baking powder and I've set my face, you guys have seen like a million tutorials, I bet. So after doing all of that, I went in with my Black Up Cosmetics contouring stick, and I used that to contour my jawline. I blended it out with like a sponge pad. I used what I had on hand. As I said, I only had like 20 minutes to get myself ready and get Marla ready, and that was like that was a stretch. So after blending that out, I did go in with the powder that I used in my crease. You don't know it, you need to go in with a highlight. I've been loving the Anastasia Beverly Hills That Glow Kit lately. Like I've had it for a minute, but like every time I use it, I'm like, yo, this is the boss. I think I used either the same Sunburst or Dripping in Gold for this highlight, and it was so beautiful, especially Marla, especially outdoors. It was super gorgeous. And yeah, I'm just lining my lips with a regular brown liner, and I went for a nude. Marla, could you not? I went for a nude pink lip. If you guys know me, you know that's my favorite lip, something nude, pink and glossy. And I just used this matte lippy from Makeup Monsters, and I topped that with this gloss that I've been loving, which is Cassie by SNS Cosmetics. And I'm basically just gonna lay some baby hairs and I'm done, you know. Drop for the regular Gorilla Snot. Marla, like, could you not, please? Could you not? Basically, after my baby hair is done, it's time to get Marla ready. So she was laying, you know, on the bed, just minding her own business, because that's how she usually is when I'm getting ready. So I already gave her a bath earlier. So what I'm doing is just freshening up her, you know, skin. She does get sweaty a lot. It does get hot. So now we're putting on her dress, and this dress was a gift from Auntie Francine. Thanks, Fano. This dress I so love. She has so many dresses that she still can't fit yet. I think this one is either by the Children's Place or by Carter's. I'm not sure, but it's a really cute dress, and it does fit her, but not like 100%. So after buttoning her up, I'm going to move on to putting her shoes on. Now she is fitting a size 2, like not fully, because her feet are like mad small, guys. So I'm putting her socks on so I can put her shoes on, but she is pretty much fitting a size 2. And I just love, like, Marla, just like, she's easy to get ready. The hardest part is of course giving her a bath, and I've already done that. So after putting her headband on, which I customized myself, I'm just going to sit her up and let her, you know, play a little bit. And then I'm going to clean up my little mess. I do always come back and play with her because she does love playing time. I think it's cool to always, you know, bond with her, and she loves to play. So we're definitely going to have playing time in between. But yeah, guys, this is basically our little get ready with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. And yo, subscribe to us, you guys. We have mad videos coming. Yeah, guys, we do appreciate all the love you guys leave under the videos. You know, Marla loves you guys so much. Thanks so much for the sweet comments that you always send. I read everyone. We just love you guys. All right, so thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for the support. See you guys in the next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.